Thank you for turning that in. That's very helpful for me because I get to kind of see your thinking throughout the class. And you won't have to submit any separate document today. You're just going to hit submit on the form. So hopefully it's easier for you guys as well. Okay, the most important theme of Wet Paint by Paul Tibbitt is maybe you said something like admit your mistakes, or you shouldn't lie, or you should be honest, which is the same thing as you shouldn't lie, right? Maybe you said lying makes things worse for you. Well, hopefully you had something similar to those, but hopefully you didn't have exactly that because all four of those themes have a problem. They all say you. And who is you? You is your reader. And this essay isn't about your reader, right? It's about the life lesson of the story. So we should be writing about the characters in the story, not you. So instead of saying the theme is to admit your mistakes, what could we plug in instead of you? Maybe just people in general. People should admit when they have made a mistake. The most important theme is don't lie. You could say people shouldn't lie, but you could also just shorten it to just the theme is don't lie. The theme is be honest. Or you could say people should be honest. Instead of saying lying makes things worse for you, you could just say lying makes things worse. You could say for people, but I think a lot of times you can just shorten it all together. Okay? But again, big takeaway. We don't want to talk about you because this essay isn't about your reader, right? It's about the characters in the story. It's about the life lesson that every single person should learn when they watch this SpongeBob episode. They should learn the consequences of lying and the reward for being honest. So, here's the last thing you're going to do today. I started an essay and you're going to finish it. You are going to type out the meaning of this quote. So, let me read through it so you know exactly what this essay is all about. So, the most important theme of Wet Paint by Paul Tibbitt is people should admit when they have made a mistake, right? Instead of you, people should. SpongeBob and Patrick accidentally spill paint on Mr. Krabs' first dollar. Instead of coming clean, pun intended, and explaining what happened, they try to hide their mistake by drawing on the dollar. When Mr. Krabs gets home and sees the dollar, he says, comma, I'm just upset that you tried to lie to me. So, down at the bottom, I want you to type in, what does this quote show? Finish this essay. This quote shows what? Restate your thesis and then explain how that shows what you're arguing. All right. Hit submit when you're all done. Let me show you this really quick. Oops, sorry, I have it right here. Okay, so again, here's a picture of it. Now that you're done with the video, you're just literally going to type in the meaning. So this quote shows, and then you guys keep going. And then down here, please let me know if you have any questions. If you don't, you can just say no. But let me know if you have any questions. All right. And then hit submit when you're all done. All right. Love you guys. Happy Friday.